Alright, so before we dive in, make sure you have your Weiser SmartCode 10 lock installed and ready to go. You'll want to be right there at your door with the lock. We're going to be focusing on the interior assembly of the lock. That's the part that's on the inside of your door. 1. Locating the program button. The very first thing we need to do is locate the program button. Now don't worry, you don't need any special tools for this. If you open your door and look at the indoor side of your SmartCode 10, you'll see the battery cover. On most models, the program button is usually a small, black button located somewhere on that interior assembly, often near the bottom or side, sometimes hidden under a small cover. It's usually labeled Program. Take a quick look. Got it? Perfect. 2. Initiating the program mode. Once you've found that program button, here's what you do. Press the program button once. You'll hear a single beep, and the keypad on the outside of your door should light up. This tells you the lock is now in programming mode and ready to accept new instructions. Easy peasy, right? 3. Entering the command for a new code. Now, move to the outside of your door where the keypad is. We're going to tell the lock that we want to add a new user code. To do this, you'll first press the number 1, and then immediately follow it by pressing the lock button. That's the large Weiser button at the top of the keypad. So, it's 1, then lock button. You should hear another beep, confirming that the lock understands you want to add a new code. 4. Entering your new user code. This is where you get to decide your new secret combination. You need to enter a new code that is between 4 and 8 digits long. Think of something easy for you to remember, but hard for others to guess. Go ahead and key in your new 4 to 8 digit code now. 5. Confirming your new code. After you've typed in your new code, you need to save it. To do that, simply press the lock button again. This acts as your enter key for the new code. 6. Confirmation. The green light and long beep. How do you know if it worked? You'll hear a distinct long beep from the lock and the keypad will flash green. That's your Weiser SmartCode 10 telling you, success, your new code has been added. If you hear multiple short beeps or a red flash, something went wrong, and you might need to start over from step 2. But hopefully, you got that beautiful green flash and long beep, and that's it. You've successfully changed a user code on your Weiser SmartCode 10. How simple was that? So, to quickly recap those steps, locate and press the program button once on the interior assembly. On the keypad, press 1, then the lock button. Enter your new 4 to 8 digit code. Press the lock button again to save. Wait for the long beep and green flash for confirmation. Super straightforward, right? Now you have a fresh, secure code for your lock, giving you peace of mind. And remember, you can repeat this process for any additional user codes you want to set or change, as long as you haven't exceeded the maximum number of codes your lock supports. Typically, SmartCode 10 can store up to 16 user codes, which is pretty generous.